Good day and welcome to Ben's Gems. So this is the multifunction table saw that I purchased on AliExpress and bought to use to cut opal and to help in the quest to create gemstones and carvings out of opal and other rocks. You could also cut wood with this thing. For the price, it was a pretty good buy. You're looking at like under 200 USD, I think, for the whole set. And it has a stone blade and a wood blade. It's easy to install. In fact, it has these stick-on sanding pads that stick to the Velcro, and there's another conical piece that you can put on that you can attach these buffing, polishing wheels, so you could polish with cerium oxide on these wheels, and they just go on the end of the cone and fit on and stick. And it comes with a flex shaft that's attachable to this, and it also has this that you can cut with on an angle and get your angle on the angle here. It has 15 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, and so you can cut a stone on an angle if you have it in the right spot, and also just straight. But as far as what you can do with it compared to other tools that are in the same price range, this is pretty good. This is one of the Velcro pads. You can see the back of that is Velcro, and it just literally sticks onto this here, which is a Velcro thing, and it screws onto this bit. And to attach this bit here is fairly easy. It comes separate. It's not attached when it arrives, and you have to attach the saw blade too, which is fairly easily done with a tool like this and one of the other spanners that comes with it, and you just tighten it up and you're away basically with the saw blade. To turn it on, it's literally just a matter of pressing this forward, this little button here. It has a 0 and a line. The line is on and the light lights up like that, and then you turn this to adjust the revolutions. And for the price, seems to be fairly good compared to anything else, as I said. Now this is the water hose. This is like a adjustable, movable piece of plastic that you can fix to wet the blade and turn it into a wet saw. And this tubing here simply fits onto your tap outlet with this piece here. You just pop that on your tap and turn it on, and the water will start flowing. But you don't want too much water coming through, otherwise you'll end up with a flood. You can only fit a certain size bucket underneath this, and it kind of looks a bit like that. It's just this little tray here that comes with it. It's not very big, and that catches the water from this thing when you turn it on with your tap. Or you could hook it up to some sort of bucket or bottle or something like that and have that instead of a tap. You could use that. Good old ingenuity. And this here is for opal to cool cool the Opal down as you're working. It helps to have this bucket. It also helps stop the spray on the down. And then I custom built this this box here to help with that spray, and it just fits on like so, and just slides underneath this ice cream container to help stop the spray from, when it's spinning and grinding away Opal, and it just slides on. And you can see I've just cut out this bit here so it fits around the mechanism here, and so if I slide that forward, it will fit over this with that cutout piece, and like so, it just fits directly over the piece, and it actually stops the spray. Sealed these two holes here, stops the spray. You can see where it's sprayed just here, this white line, that's silica dust, and so it's spraying off and hitting the side and the top, and it does a really good job, but you still want to wear your mask. And as far as the cutter goes, you can push forward with this. Made a little bit of a cut in that already by accident, and I don't know, you can cut without this and just use your hand if you're really into trying it, but using this helps. You've got the stone against that, keep it in place, and push it forward into the blade. And I found that even at a low speed, it still seems to cut quite well, and I'm very happy with it for the price. I thought it was pretty good, and got a few stones, and it's been fun experimenting. It also came with the flex shaft, of course, and it just looks like a rotary tool flex shaft. This also came with it, set M I think I got, and AliExpress is where I bought this from, as I think I said before, and have linked in a previous video the place to buy it. This also comes with the kit. It's a similar kit to what came with the rotary tool that I bought, so that's a little humorous. It also came with these cutters, and so that's what you get with this set M, all that and more. It also comes with this bit here and a bunch of other bits and pieces, the rotary flex shaft, and yeah, so pretty cool, and for the price, pretty good deal. Cheers, thanks for watching, see ya next episode.